What is up? This is the unrestricted, wait, let's try that again. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a fun one. We're gonna be talking about the top 3 mods. Now you may be saying, whoa, Aing, slow your roll. What is the unrestricted? Who is the unrestricted? And what was that intro? I'm very glad that you asked. Let me explain. There is a fellow YouTuber by the name The Unrestricted. He too has a Toyota Tacoma SR5. He makes really good Toyota Tacoma videos, modification, tips and tricks, stuff in that category. He reached out, I reached out, and we got to chit-chatting, and we started to talk about what are the 3 best modifications for these trucks. And for the most part, we could agree. We got 2 down. The third one, we kind of had a little bit of a debate on. So that's where you come in. I'm gonna do 3 on my channel, 2 of which are the same. The third one is gonna be different on his channel. So go check out his YouTube channel to see what he put in 3rd place. I agree with him. I just haven't done it for my truck, so I can't really say it. I think you guys will be able to agree with the 2 out of the 3 that we've chosen for today's video. So that's enough rambling. Let's get on to the reason we're here for this video. The top 3 modifications that I've done to my Toyota Tacoma. So we're gonna start up front because this is a game changer. This for me, I didn't believe the hype. I didn't think it was gonna be that big of a difference until I did it. And that's the fog lights. The fog lights are such an improvement. I went from the halogen stock absolute joke of fog lights to these LED fog lights. Now what I like about this is that on my channel, this is the stock housing. On his truck, it's actually a whole different housing. So you get the best of both worlds. At the very least, I definitely recommend changing this from a halogen to an LED because it's worth its weight in gold. I take this mostly on beach trips. I leave super early in the morning when the sun's not even out yet, so I can get there early, beat traffic. You know the deal. With the halogens, they were kind of just there. They weren't very helpful. But with these LEDs that are linked down below in the description if you're interested, they made a world of difference. They helped out, they let me see a lot better, and of course you want to have good bright fog lights in case you need them. Number 2, we agreed on the bed mat. Now this is the current configuration that I'm running my bed. This bed mat, which is also linked down below if you're interested, is a must-have. Let me explain. Hello airplane, thank you for making your appearance. Prior to having this bed mat, I went to the beach 2 times. 2 single trips to the beach. All I carried was a cooler and those crates. And just look at the damage that's been done to the actual truck bed. Also, I definitely need to wash that. So number 1, it protects your bed. A wise subscriber said, protect your investment. And I agree, that's exactly what you're doing. 80 to 120 bucks gets you this bed mat and you protect your investment. It definitely comes up in resale and just you knowing that your bed isn't absolutely being destroyed. Number 2, I like to carry stuff with me. Throw it into the bed of my truck and not worry if it's about to get damaged. Not only that, this isn't going anywhere. It's not sliding around. You don't need to carry an assortment of bungee cords, well, because it's not going anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is where things get a little bit tricky. Number 1, the fog lights. We agreed on that. It's a must-have. Number 2, we went all the way to the back of the truck. The rubber bed mat is by far the most important modification you can do, not only in a Tacoma, in any pickup truck ever made. Ever. He told me his number 3 favorite modification. But for me, we're gonna step on into the interior because, well, that's where the modification is. I don't know. I tried to segue, it didn't work. Ow. The glove box and center console, storage / dividers. Many of you guys know, and I think many of us can agree, we're just not as neat or organized as we think we can be. I had this truck for around 2 to 3 weeks before I had to get these. I had them on my previous truck. I left them on there when I sold it, and I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna be organized instead of spending money on these modifications that I don't need if I'm organized. That lasted all of 2 weeks, and then I ended up buying it because it was absolutely full of clutter. But not only that, it keeps things organized, and in case you need something, well, you know exactly where it is. This stuff will be linked in the description. It's on Amazon. It's definitely worth the money, and I think the people that have it can agree with me on that. So just like I and the Unrestricted came up with our top 3, let me know your top 3 in the comment section down below because I'm very interested. So with that being said, go check out his video. I'm going to link his channel in the description. It'll also be in the title of this video. I'm gonna go over there in the comment section, let him know Aing sent you. I really can't say nothing bad about the Unrestricted. I love his channel. I love his videos. The only thing that I really just can't get over is the color he chose for his Tacoma. Now, I'm just kidding. I know there's a lot more people that like the cement gray over the voodoo blue, so I may lose that battle. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.